welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and also share this video as well. If you are an OG, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. So today's video, I wanted to do an orange look. I try and keep it as natural as possible because that's just my preference. I love natural looks, but I wanted to do a pop of color, do some color today. So we're gonna play in some orange shades today. So yeah, let's do that. So as far as my face, I went ahead and already moisturized my face today with my Black Girl sunscreen. This is amazing. I actually talked about this on my Instagram stories, so if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle somewhere down here or somewhere up top, one of these sides. And go ahead and follow me because a lot of things that I don't talk about on my YouTube channel, I do on my Instagram. So head over and yeah, check it out. This company is amazing. This sunscreen is bomb. Love it. I use it as a moisturizer. It's just that good. And since I've already moisturized my face, I don't need to do that. I'm going to go in with this new Elf primer, this Jelly Lollipop Dew Primer. This primer is really, really good. I've already tried it out. Even if you have oily skin, this primer is really good. So we're going to go ahead and get to prime it because like I said, I've already moisturized. And it's, oh, this primer smells so good. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It smells really good. I usually use, yeah. And I just put this all over my face. And I think with this primer, once you put it on, you have to let it sit. Yeah. So yeah, ooh, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna let this sit and do its job. I'm going to now go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. I use Fawn to actually go in, and normally that's what I use as my base and also to carve out my brows and everything like that. But today I'm actually going to use Porcelain because the shade that I want to use, which is that orange shade, is going to be, it's a bright shade. So I want my color to really pop. So I'm going to go in with a lighter shade today. Now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder. This is the translucent powder. I'm not going in with my banana shade or anything because like I said, I want to keep this kind of a white base. So therefore I'm just going to go in with a white setting powder to set that concealer. So now that I have that powder set on there, let's get into our shadow. We're going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Zulu palette, and I'm going to pick up this orange shade right here. So we're going to go in with this orange shade right here, and I'm going to take my Coastal Scents brush, and I'm going to pick that orange up and just tap off the excess. And I'm going to just pack this on right into my crease area. And for this look, I'm going to keep my eyeshadow rounded. I'm not going to, you know, smoke it out or anything. Just keep it rounded. And I'm also not going to take this shadow up too high because I don't want, when I have to go in and blend it, I don't want to have to blend it so till it goes into my brow bone with my other colors. So and I'm just going to repeat the same step on my other eye. Alright, so now that I have that eyeshadow laid how I want it, I'm just going to take this same brush, and I'm just going to lightly blend out the edges of this before I go down and lay my other color, which is going to be a yellow shade. I'm just going to help that yellow shade that I'll be laying down out by blending it a little bit now. Alright, so I think I have it pretty diffused. So now I'm going to go back into the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to pick up this yellow shade here. And I'm going to take, let's see, this is my Essence Eye Blender brush. I'm going to pick this yellow shade up and just place it right on the outer part of that orange shade at the top. Not a lot, because I don't really want this to be so, I don't want the yellow to be so vibrant. So I pretty much have enough yellow. So now I'm going to go in with my actual lid brush that I'll be using. It's my base eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques. And I'm just going back into that same orange shade. And this time I'm just going to pack that shade on my lid. Let me see if I use my finger. Yeah. Cause I'm like, I didn't want to have to cut my crease for this look, because that's not what the plan was. But using my finger actually helps this eyeshadow to come off the shade that I wanted it to. I think I'm going to just leave that alone. Yeah, I think I'm just going to leave that be. I don't know if I want to do a liner with this look, but I'm going to go off camera now and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. So that took me like, seems like what, 24 hours just to put my lashes on. I actually tried a pair of lashes that I did not like, so I had to go back, take those off, and try some more. I went ahead, like I said, I applied my lashes. I went ahead and added a color in my tear duct area. And so now let's move on to the face. I've already primed my face, so let's go in with foundation, and it is the foundation I've been using. I really don't have to talk about this foundation. If you watch any of my other videos, you know how I feel about it. If not, I'll link a card at the top of this video, and you can go check it out and see how I feel about it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fun, and I'm going to lay that down. So while I'm letting that sit for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and just blend out my foundation some more. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Obsessions banana powder and go ahead and set my face really quick before it creases. Now I'm just blending this powder out. I'm going to go in with my Sephora Microsmooth powder in the shade 56 and set the rest of my face. I'm going to take a little brush, just pick up a little and just kind of pat it to make it not so bright, because that powder, I used a lot of it, but it came out a little bit brighter than I wanted to. And then I have to remember too, I did use a light color concealer, so I don't need that much powder. I'm not gonna take it away a lot, but it's just a little too bright for my liking. So that may be okay. If not, I'll go back and change, add some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my waterline. Going back in with that orange shade, I'm going to take this brush and just grab just a little bit, like a little bit, and just apply that to smoke out the waterline. And my nose is like taking up. I don't know if that's from, I don't know what that's from. Now I'm going to take my mascara, So Fierce by Revlon in Black is Black, and I'm just going to place this on my bottom lashes. I always get mascara on my, like, mess up down on my bottom lashes all the time. Let's go ahead and warm up this face a little bit, going in with my Covergirl Ebony bronze. I'm going to take up just a random brush and just start applying that in the hollows of my cheek. I love for my face to be like really bronzy and warm. I love it. Alright, and I'm going to just lightly contour my nose just a little bit, not a lot. I don't know why it's separated on my, why this foundation is separated on my nose. I don't know what I put down, or maybe it's that primer. I'm going to keep that light today. Y'all ain't telling my hair was falling. Y'all little trip. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using the Wet n Wild coconut spray. Oh girl, I didn't even open it. Girl, bye. Go in and use this because I haven't tried it yet, so I want to see how it's going to work. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. And y'all know how I feel about coconut. Oh. Press that in. Alright, so while I'm letting that dry, oh my god, that smells so good. I'm gonna go in now and do my lips. Now let me add some blush. Flush of color. Oh, and my highlight. Girl, that's what I mean. I'm like, hold on, something missing. Okay. I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. Something is missing. So I'm going to highlight out of this BH Cosmetics palette. Ooh, the highlights in this palette are, y'all, so damn pretty. All these shimmers and shade, all the shades in this palette are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. But that's it, guys. This is the finished look. It took me a minute to try and get it how I wanted to, but I think I did okay. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video and this look, give this video a thumbs up for your girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.